So this is Jonker Street, and this Jonker 88. Okay, they are very famous for their cendol. Why is it called Jonker 88? Because it's store number 88. It's actually right beside this Taman Warisan Jonker Walk. Here. Let's go. Someone's cat. This is how the shop looks like. Very old school. Say those old notes. So you go right behind. Self-service. Go inside for your cendol. This is the one we come for. So I ordered the normal cendol. Wah, lama tak ada makan. Oh, best. Thank you. Okay, so when you get your cendol, you can actually sit behind. It's front part, I'll choose to sit behind. See here, enjoy your cendol. So this is my cendol. I opted for plain one. Look at that gula melaka on it. It's so nice. Oh man, okay, use kidney bean here. Kidney bean. I like to just mix it up, right? Let the gula melaka or palm syrup steep in. Can you see this area here? Actually, this is actually a very old shop. So they converted it into a shop to sell cendol lah. So under the UNESCO World Heritage City, when Melaka is accorded this title, you cannot simply modify all these. These are heritage structures. Okay? It's not much renovation that can be done. So you can see this area here. This is the area I'm talking about. See? So this is my cendol here. So when in Melaka, right, you tell Jonker 88, not many people will tell you they don't know. It's Jonker 88 right on Jonker Street. So it's very famous actually. Very famous for the cendol. They also serve other like hot food if you want. But I came here specifically for the cendol. For this, right? For this bowl, they put more gula melaka. So if you are the type that don't like the cendol to be too sweet, right, this might not be for you. Okay? In some cases, right, they put a lot of coconut milk. Then the palm sugar will be a bit. Then you can actually taste the coconut milk. Balance of the palm sugar and the coconut milk is not easy to achieve because every individual is different. Okay, so this one is where you have a little bit more of palm sugar. Nevertheless, it's still very good. It's fresh. Cendol is fresh. If you like skinny beans, enough of skinny beans here, enough of cendol here. Enough. It's really a welcoming, mouth-watering dessert, especially this hot weather. Do come to Jonker 88. You can't miss it. It's on Jonker Street. Nevertheless, I'll still give the address in the description down below. Okay, this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.